If you're a migrant worker in New Zealand and your employer is treating you unfairly, underpaying you, threatening you, or making you work in unsafe or illegal conditions, there is a visa designed to protect you. Kia ora and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is one of the most important ones we've ever done. It's about the Migrant Exploitation Protection Work Visa, or the MEPV. If you or someone you know is being mistreated at work, please watch this video till the end. It could change or even save your future in Aotearoa, New Zealand. The MEPV is a special visa created to help migrant workers leave abusive or exploitative work situations safely without risking their immigration status. For too long, some employers have taken advantage of migrant workers, especially those whose visas are tied to just one employer. The power imbalance creates fear and silence. You can apply for the MEPV if you are currently in New Zealand, you hold a work visa that names your employer, you're working or you recently worked for that employer, and that employer has exploited you in ways that harms you financially, physically, emotionally, or socially. This visa is not for everyone. If you hold an open work visa, a limited visa, or an interim visa, unfortunately, you're not eligible for the MEPV. The MEPV is a 6 months open work visa. That means you can work for any employer in any industry in any location in New Zealand. There's no visa fees. You don't need to submit medical or police certificates. Your current partner and children can apply for new visas if they already hold valid dependent visas tied to yours. This gives you time to recover, find new employment, and most importantly, stay safe. Migrant exploitation is when your employer takes advantage of you in ways that cause harm. That harm may be financial, underpaying you and not paying you at all, or making you give back part of your wages; emotional, threatening to cancel your visa or scare you into staying quiet; physical, unsafe work conditions, excessive hours, no breaks; social, isolating you, taking away your freedom, or keeping your passport. Let's be clear, migrant workers have the same legal rights as New Zealanders. That includes the right to a written employment agreement, minimum wage and holiday pay, rest and meal breaks, safe working conditions, and freedom from harassment or threats. These are real examples of exploitation that make you eligible for a MEPV. Your employer keeps your passport, you are made to pay for your job or visa, you're forced to work more hours than your visa allows, you're not given breaks or you're unpaid for holidays. Your employer locks doors and doesn't let you leave. Your boss threatens to call Immigration New Zealand if you complain, and you're sexually harassed or verbally abused. There are some situations that might feel unfair but don't qualify as migrant exploitation for the MEPV. For example, being legally made redundant, genuine company liquidation, being minor or one time wage errors, not being offered work after arriving. If you're unsure, still report it. Even if it's not enough for a visa, Employment New Zealand can still help or educate your employer. Step 1. Report your situation to Employment New Zealand. You can use the online form or call the number 0800 200 088. You'll be contacted within 3 working days if you agree to be contacted. Step 2. Employment New Zealand assesses your report. If they believe it's a credible case of exploitation, you'll get a report of exploitation assessment letter. Step 3. Use the letter to apply for the MEPV with Immigration New Zealand within 1 month of the date of the letter. You can only get one MEPV per exploitation case, but if you're exploited by a different employer in the future, you can apply again. Keeping yourself safe and protected. Keep your passport and visa documents safe. Never pay for a job. It's illegal for employers to charge you. Save copies of your contract, pay slips, and hours worked. Get wages paid into your bank account, not cash if possible. And don't sign anything you don't understand. These steps won't just protect you, they can help you prove your case if you ever need to report exploitation. No one should have to stay in a harmful job just to keep their visa. The Migrant Exploitation Protection Visa is here to give you freedom, safety, and time to start afresh. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, co-workers, or anyone you think needs this information. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on New Zealand immigration. See you in the next video.